Good morning everybody and welcome to Help for Heroes 2023. Morning Graham. Morning Roy.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Good? Alright chaps? Alright? Alright Brian?
Yes, fine, thank you.
Have a lovely day guys.
Yes, thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you. I'll send you.
Morning guys. Tight lines. Morning chaps, have a lovely day. Morning Roy, have a lovely day mate. Good morning. How are we doing Dave?
Yes,
You alright?
fine, love.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You alright Rich?
Yes,
Yeah,
all
have a
right,
lovely
thank
day
you.
guys.
Ready to go.
Alright chaps, do you know what you're doing with that? Yep. Time of first fish? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Morning. Good morning. Hey. I'm doing a Neil Cohen on it. Right, Jamie. Jamie. Hello, mate. Right. Morning, chaps. How are we? All right? Good morning. You all right, Jim? All right, motley crew today, aren't we? Hey? All right, Les. How are we doing? You all right, young man? Yeah, have a lovely day, guys. Right, who we got round the corner then? Morning. How we doing, James? All sorted? Yep. Right, Kevin.
Morning, Mark.
Morning. We all ready for the off? Right, Michael. Will. How are we? All right?
How are you?
Yeah, good. Have a lovely day.
Thank you, and you.
Morning, Sean. Morning, John. Have a lovely day, guys. Right, Tim. Have a lovely day out. Have you lost your boat, partner?
Yeah.
Oh, no. All right. Are we all ready? More or less. It's all looking good, isn't it? 17 boats out today. Brilliant. And a nice ripple on the water all the way around. Lovely.